I'm gonna kiss you. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I don't know why I said that. I'm just trying to think of something to say. That was stupid. I'm sorry. And if nobody has any objections, then speak now or forever. Hold your peace.
Cut! I don't like this. Can we cut?
Get back in your people puppet. This is amazing.
Don't touch me.
It's cliche. I've seen it before.
Cliche is based on my life!
The puppets. This movie could have been awesome! Change. No. No! I don't care.
My glasses!
Whoa, you were puppeting me? Did we just kiss? What are we fighting for? Let's do this.